Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Art Shack. So for a few of you who have been following me since I've started this channel, you may remember this video where I unboxed a bamboo tablet. I have barely touched it ever since I bought it, which is a shame because it's actually a really powerful tool. So yesterday we just had another snowstorm. We got about 15 or 16 inches or so, on top of the over 40 inches we've had already this winter. So we've had snow for quite a while now, so I figured I might as well just draw something very appropriate to that, which would be a nice snowy landscape. So I just took the tablet out, set it up on my computer, and started drawing a nice snowy mountain landscape. Alright, so everyone, I hope you enjoyed this drawing, and let's get going. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed my drawing. If you have any questions about the software or tablet I used, it's all in the description below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.